Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix product tagging violation on your YouTube channel. So open YouTube Studio, then you have to sign in first, then go to content in the bottom section and you will see two line here. Just tap on this, scroll down and in the product section you will see tagging violation option. Just tick on it and click apply on the bottom section, and here you will see all tagging violation shorts and videos on your YouTube channel. From here you can select any video, any shorts here or video you want to fix product tagging violation. Then scroll down and you will see one tag product. Just click on this product and you will see this tag product automatically removed. So if you want to fix this tagging violation, just click delete button, then you have to click save button, and you can see that the tag product has been removed from here, and also your product tagging violation also removed from this sort. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.